if you're looking for a smart lock upgrade like this one we did today on an apartment door, it's usually best to talk to us first, just so we can run you through some options. There's a lot on the market these days, and there's some that I wouldn't recommend. Also, if the lock is going on a house door, for example, I usually recommend to pair it up with a good mechanical lock. And also depends on what you currently have on the door and to see what is suitable for your door.